We've talked about the Motorola Solutions Curve ecosystem features, which include the hub and call buttons in previous videos. I also want to share with you some use case examples of when and why you should choose the Curve ecosystem for your business. Hello everyone, my name is Todd Spitzer. I'm the VP of Business Development here at Wireless Solutions, and this is our final video of our three-part series on the Curve ecosystem. In our first two videos, we discussed the solutions that make up the ecosystem of products. In this final video, we're going to briefly share three vertical-specific examples of the products and their usage. We'll close out the last few moments of this video discussing the potential future integrations and show the potential of the ecosystem.
Let's talk retail stores. What are some potential use case examples?
Retailers continue to invest in solutions to help improve their operational efficiency. With many facing staffing challenges and low customer traffic in various departments, it's important that they provide customer service on demand. To better service their customers and increase profitability and sales, the Motorola Solutions Customer Assist buttons can be deployed in various form factors to better meet their specific needs. We've got three use case examples for you. Use case number one, adding a help button for locked merchandise. This will help decrease abandonment of purchase and improve your customer experience. Use case number two, many retailers don't have staff proactively engaging with their customers. Adding our counter mount assist button to service and department counters puts the power to request the store associate in the hands of the customer. Use case number three, adding a help button to a backdoor entrance for deliveries. This allows your staff and your service providers to remain connected and informed throughout the day.
How about we explore hospitality? What are some potential use case examples?
Slow service and delays ruin the guest experience. The hospitality market continues to find ways of improving their safety, security, and efficiency. Let's talk through a few use case examples of our Curve ecosystem. Use case one, during staff shortages and non-peak hours, our counter mount help button can be placed at your front desk, your bell and valet stations to help with your guest needs. Use case two, another application is for areas that require guest services. Here, we will deploy a wall mount or a blade style button to ensure your guest satisfaction remains high. We want you to be thinking about the areas like outdoor common areas, pool and spa areas, and even the gym.
Let's explore something less traditional. What are some potential use case examples for warehousing?
When it comes to safety and efficiency in the warehousing vertical, nothing is more critical. In this first use case example of two, we're going to flip the usage of our help buttons from being customer-facing to employee-facing. Use case number one, mounting our wall mount or blade-style buttons in pick and pull areas provides a direct line of assistance to your supervisor radios. Use case number two would be deploying our blade style or counter mount help button at your will call for customer pickup. This provides additional coverage when you're low on staff.
What are some of the future integrations to come?
The Motorola Solutions Curve ecosystem is flexible enough to create connections tailored to your needs. Some of these potential integrations include, but are not limited to, IP video, LPR or license plate recognition, first-person camera or body-worn camera, and access control. More recently, we've had conversations about products and integrations like smart sensors and self-service locked cases. We hope this Curve ecosystem series was helpful and showed how powerful the products are for your business. Remember to like and subscribe to all our social networks and post any questions or comments you may have in the section below. Thank you for watching.